Hello guys, I'm Dara from the Khmer Lesson and welcome to Learn Cambodian with my channel. I hope everyone is good and today I have a new lesson for you. But in this lesson you are not going to learn Cambodian language. You are going to learn how to type Khmer keyboard, or I can say how to use Khmer keyboard in computer. As you know, some students they have a problem with this. They would like to know how to type Khmer alphabet in computer, but they don't know like which keyboard. Because as you know, we have to change keyboard. Like you need to press Control Alt or press C for some consonant or some vowel. Okay, so in this lesson you are going to learn all of this. But before you will be able to type Khmer keyboard, your computer need to have Khmer Unicode first. If your computer doesn't have Khmer Unicode, you need to install it first, and then okay, you can type Khmer keyboard. Okay, and in this video you are going to learn like all of this, such as how to type consonant, subconsonant, vowels, independent vowels, and punctuation as well. Okay, so right now, if you are ready, let's get started with me together. Okay, that's all for this lesson, and thanks for watching. And I hope this lesson is helpful for everyone who would like to know how to type my keyboard in computer. Okay, and I hope also after you watch this video, you will be able to type Khmer alphabet well in the computer. Okay, and if you have any question or any idea or still not clear with some points from this lesson, please let me know in the comment section and I will try to answer your question. Okay, again, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.